Next question, if a plus root 2 into b cos x into a minus root 2 b cos y equal to a square minus b square where a greater than 0, b greater than 0. Then dx by dy at pi by 4 comma pi by 4 is option A. A minus 2 by a plus 2b a minus by a plus b. Option C. A plus by a minus b. Two a plus b divided by 2a minus b. Differentiating with respect to x. Here product of two functions a u v u dash. If you differentiate this 0 plus root 2 into b, for cos x we have minus sin x u dash into v minus a into root 2b cos y plus a into root 2b cos x into 0 minus root 2b minus sin y into dy by dx equal to 0. A plus root 2 b cos x root 2b minus minus plus sin y into dy by dx equal to, this is minus term, if you bring this side it will become plus root 2b sin x into a minus root 2b cos y. So dy by dx equal to root 2b sin x into a minus root 2b cos y whole divided by a plus root b cos x root b sin y. At x equal to pi by 4, y equal to pi by 4, dy by dx equal to root b sin 45, that is 1 by root 2 a minus root 2 b. This is also cos 45 1 by root 2 divided by a plus root 2 b cos 45 1 by root 2 root 2 b 1 by root 2. This will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. Multiplication b will be cancelled. So we have a minus b. Here this will be cancelled. So a minus b by a plus b. This is dy by dx. We need dx by dy. A plus b by a minus b. So option 3 is correct. Next one. The derivative of tan of root of 1 plus x squared minus 1 by x with respect to tan of 2x root of 1 minus x squared by 1 minus 2x squared at x equal to 1 by 2 is two root 3 by 5 root 3 by 12 2 root 3 by 3 root 3 by 10. let y equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x squared minus 1 by x. Z equal to tan inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square by 1 minus 2x square. Here take x equal to tan theta. Theta equal to tan inverse of x. So y equal to tan inverse of 1 plus x squared 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Tan inverse of secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Tan inverse of secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Tan inverse of 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta. Two sin square theta by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This will be cancelled. Tan inverse of tan theta by 2 equal to theta by 2, that is 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x. One by 2. So dy by dx equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 1 plus x squared. So dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x squared. That is dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 1 plus x squared. We have to find, in fact, dy by differentiation of y with respect to z. We have to find. dy by dz at x equal to 1 by 2 we have to find. Now consider this one z. Put x equal to sin theta in z. So z equal to tan inverse of 2 sin theta 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta tan of root cos square cos theta by cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 sin theta cos theta equal to so we have used the formula sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. We have used these two formulae. So z equal to tan inverse of tan 2 theta, that is 2 theta. Tan inverse of tan equal theta. Theta place we write sin inverse of x dz by dx 2 into 1 by root of one minus x squared. So dz by dx equal to 2 into 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. So dy by dz equal to dy by dx divided by dz by dx 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x squared divided by 2 into 1 by root of, that means this will be the numerator, root of 1 minus x squared 4 into 1 plus x squared. At x equal to 1 by 2, dy by dz equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, 4 into 1 plus 1 by 4. So dy by dz equal to root 3 by 4 divided by 4 into 5 by 4. This will be cancelled. Root 3 by 2 by 5. This means root 3 by 10. So option 4 is correct. The derivative of secant of 1 by 2x squared minus 1 with respect to root of 1 minus x squared at x equal to 1 by 2 is one by 2x square minus 1 is that equal to root of 1 minus x squared, x equal to half. We take x equal to cos theta. So we have to find dy by dz at x equal to 1 by 2. Put x equal to cos theta in y. Y equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Secant inverse of this is cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta minus 1. Secant inverse of secant 2 theta that is equal to 2 theta. In place of theta you can write cos inverse of x. So dy by dx equal to 2 into minus 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. So v equal to, so z equal to root of 1 minus x squared. dz by dx equal to 1 by twice root of 1 minus x, further minus x, this will be cancelled, minus x by root of 1 minus x squared. So dy by dz equal to dy by dx divided by dz by dx minus 2 by root of 1 divided by minus x by root of 1 minus x squared, that is 2 by x. At x equal to 1 by 2, dy by dx equal to 2 by 1 by 2, that is 4. So next question. If f of x equal to modulus x minus 2 and g of x equal to f of x Then g dash of x for x greater than 20. F of x equal to modulus x minus 2 x greater than 20. So f of x minus 2 x greater than 20. F of x equal to modulus x greater than 20. So this is greater than 20 means modulus x minus 2 means x minus 2 x greater 20 x minus 4 x greater than 20. So therefore g of x equal to x minus 4 x greater than 20. F of x equal to, that is g of x. We need g dash of x 1. Okay. So we will discuss most sums in the next class.